Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Xero accounting software, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add your logo into your Xero invoices? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add your logo into your invoices in Xero anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a legitimate business, you know that having your logo on your invoices makes it look much more credible. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Xero dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Xero account, and this is the home screen. And here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and add your logo into your invoices, go ahead and click on your company name here on the top left. Once you click there, make sure you're working in the correct organization. I just have this one. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on settings. All right, once you click there, you're going to click on this one here called invoice settings. All right, once you do that, you want to look for this button right here called upload logo. Okay, now they do let you know it has to be JPEG, GIF, or PNG. Also, it can't be more than 400 pixels wide or 120 pixels high. So a lot of times when you're working with your logo, you're going to have to shrink it down. If you need help shrinking down your logo, go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. So what you're going to do is go ahead and choose your logo here. All right, once you've chosen the file, go ahead and click on upload. Okay, just a quick second later, the page refreshes and you're going to see this pop up. Your logo for standard was uploaded, and then you're going to see your logo image right here on the bottom right. So now when I create an invoice in my Xero, it's going to show my logo on the PDF. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add your logo into the Xero invoice, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.